Hello guys, it's me Yasin. Today I'm going to show how to make a digital clock by using Python. Before I start this video, like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification. You need to download this text. If you don't download, it will be not run. Link in description. First, we need to import tkinter from tkinter import and this symbol from tkinter.ttk import and this symbol space third from time import stuff time, yeah, right. Root equal space equal tk and this symbol bracket root equal title. Here is a question: if you want to put this name only clock, digital clock, modern clock, you can do it, no problem. Space level equal level uh, bracket root comma space. You need to take a space after every comma. Is digital uh, as you wish, which size you want. If this 80 is size, if you want to take 100, you can do it. You don't need to take space after this bracket. Background color, which color you want, as you wish. If you want to take red, you can. If you want to plain, you want, as you wish. Bracket and show equals center. See, now we need to take space def time bracket and this symbol. This is my first video. If I do any fault in this video, please forgive me. Now we need to import our minutes and second in our clock. H mean hour, M mean minutes, S mean second. Now level equal stuff. Oh, sorry guys, there is a small letter, but I took capital letter. Now it's okay. Level dot stuff time. Sorry guys, that's not stuff time. That's one thing. Yeah, that's one thing, right? Now bracket text staring level dot after time bracket 1000 dot time. Now cut this space. Now time bracket main loop. So that's all. You can see this working digital clock. Subscribe my channel for more videos.